Good evening, all of you. Now we will discuss the law of inheritance. Law of inheritance. In which what happened? That is inheritance. Law of inheritance. There are three types of law of inheritance, and these three types. That is, first is that the law of dominance. Then second one called as the law of segregation. Then third one is that the law of independent assortment. Law of independent assortment. In which when we discuss about the law of dominance, we already discussed about the law of dominance, but today again repeating the law of dominance, in which what happened, that is the one of the pair of contrasting character cross to each other. One of the pair of contrasting character cross to each other. That is the tall, one of the parent having tall and one of the parent having the dwarf. It cross to each other and it form the gametes. From this two, the common is the T, and from this capital T and small t, in which it cross to each other, it form the one of hybrid. And this hybrid which is expressed, it is one of the F1 generation, and this F1 generation which contains the different two alleles, that is capital T and small t, in which what happened, that is the capital T which is expressed and this small t which is not expressed in the F1 generation. That is called as the law of dominance. What happened in the law of dominance? One of the contrasting pair of parent cross to each other, and in F1 generation, one of the tall or one of the dominant character will be expressed and recessive character which is repressed or it is not expressed, so that called as the law of dominance. Another important thing, the second law, that is the law of segregation. Law of segregation. Segregation. The segregation means what? That is the separation. Segregation means what? Separation. Separation. आता इथे बघा तुम्ही इथे काय पाहिलेलं आपण, that is one of the pair cross to each other and it form the F1 hybrid. Then separation means what happened in that, it is also called as the law of purity of gamete. Law of purity of gamete. Why it is called as the law of purity gamete, we will discuss now. That is the law of segregation. Law of segregation, it is also called as the law of purity of gamete, in which this law, that is law of dominance and law of segregation, these two laws which is discovered by the monohybrid cross. This monohybrid cross means what? One of the single pair cross to each other and it formed the F1 generation. In which now the law of segregation. Segregation means separation. So what is the statement of the law of segregation? That is the member of allelic pair of hybrid remains together without mixing with each other. During gamete formation, it separate from each other. So what is the meaning of this statement? That is the law of segregation, that is member of allelic pair of the hybrid. Member of allelic pair means in which firstly we have to take the gametes from this tall and from this dwarf. Okay, म्हणून या जरी आपण लॉ ऑफ डॉमिनन्सला फर्स्ट लॉ म्हणतो, पण लॉ ऑफ सेग्रिगेशन इट इज वन ऑफ द फर्स्ट लॉ विच इज डिस्कवर्ड बाय द मेंडर, बिकॉज we are taking the diploid cell. Diploid cell means in which what happen, capital T it is comes from mother and this capital T which is comes from father and it form the diploid cell. then it forms the gamete. We take the single gamete, and in which this, when it, we are saying that it is having this allelic pair of hybrid. आता इथे तर आपण इथे गॅमेट्स पाडत आहोत, त्याच्यानंतर या दोघांचं क्रॉसिंग केल्यानंतर इथे काय दिसतं आपल्याला हायब्रिड फॉर्म दिसतं. हायब्रिड फॉर्ममध्ये F1 जनरेशनमध्ये जेव्हा हायब्रिड फॉर्ममध्ये आपल्याला आलीच दिसेल, हायब्रिड फॉर्म म्हणजे heterozygous, दिस टू फॉर्म, दॅट इज द कॅपिटल T अँड द स्मॉल t. डिफरंट टू types of the gametes are seen into that of the F1 generation. This hybrid form of the gametes or alleles which is in the pair, हे कसे दिसतं आपल्याला पेअरमध्ये, which is remains together. ते सोबत असणार, पण सोबत असणार पण will not mix without mixing with each other. सोबत असेल पण without mixing with each other, एकमेकांमध्ये मिक्स होणार नाही. and it separate during the gamete formation. आता पहा, जेव्हा आपण क्रॉसिंग केलं F1 जनरेशन मिळालं कॅपिटल T स्मॉल t, याचं काय करतो आपण, सेल्फिंग करतो. सेल्फिंग करत असताना इथे काय पडतो आपण, याचे गॅमेट पडतो, म्हणजे कॅपिटल T क्रॉस विथ दॅट ऑफ कॅपिटल T स्मॉल t. याचे 4 गॅमेट्स मिळतात आपल्याला. दिस आर सेपरेट फ्रॉम इच अदर, कॅपिटल T अँड स्मॉल t, अँड इट एक्सप्रेस देमसेल्फ, म्हणजे ते स्वतःला एक्सप्रेस करेल. दॅट इज कॅपिटल T विच एक्सप्रेस फॉर द टॉल अँड स्मॉल t विच इज एक्सप्रेस फॉर द dwarf इन द F2 जनरेशन. म्हणजे F2 जनरेशनमध्ये तो स्वतःला एक्सप्रेस करत आहे. पहिले इथे अंडरस्टँड मीन्स हायब्रिड फॉर्ममध्ये असताना ते एकमेकांच्या सोबत आहे पण मिक्स होणार नाही. अँड ॲट द टाइम ऑफ गॅमेट फॉर्मेशन इट सेपरेट फ्रॉम इच अदर अँड एक्सप्रेस द डॉमिनंट कॅरेक्टर अँड द रेसेसिव्ह कॅरेक्टर इन टू द F1 F2 जनरेशन. दिस इज कॉल्ड एज द law of segregation. Law of segregation, it is also called as the law of purity of gamete. Law of purity of gamete means what? Purity of gamete means what? In which it forms the pure form of the tall and it forms the pure form of the dwarf. So that we are called as the law of purity of gamete, and it is the universal in the nature, because in the all organism, all living organism, gametes are formed, so that in which this is called as the law of universal law. It is called as the law of universal law. Then second important thing आता in which this tall which is having to that of the haploid in a nature. Okay, it is having to that of the haploid in a nature. When it cross into that of the another pair of the male or female, then it forms the diploid nature. Means gametes, understand gametes? Gametes mean when it form in the female, at that time it is having to that of the like that of the capital T small t. When it is having two heterozygous in a nature, one of the egg which form the capital T and one of the egg which form the small t, and when it is having to that of the homozygous in nature, capital T, in which it forms the capital T, which is seen into that of the eggs in the female, and in the male that is having one of the sperm which is forming capital T, one of the sperm which is having to that of the small t. Like that of the structure which is seen into that of the female, that is capital T, like these 4 type of the haploid gametes are formed in the living organism. Another important thing, that is this law of segregation. I already told that this law of segregation, it is studied by the monohybrid cross. We already discussed of that.